Hi students, so my topic is cell, the smallest unit of life. So on our earth, different kind of organisms are present, right? Some are tiny, big, huge, small. So different type of organisms are present on earth, but there is a one common thing in all the organisms, living organisms. And the common thing is cell, that all the living organisms are made up of cell. Cell is the microscopic unit that is very important. If we'll talk about cell is the structural and functional unit of life. So first time cell is discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. Cell perform all the necessary function to sustain life. Like there's a one important function that is reproduction. Okay, as you people know, reproduction is very important for continuity of life, so that is also performed by cell. Now cell can be multicellular or unicellular. In unicellular you can give example, that is amoeba, and in multicellular you can give lot of examples like human being, we are also multicellular, lion, dog, plant, multicellular organism. And in unicellular you can give amoeba, yeast, they are unicellular organisms. Uni means one, single cell organism. So amoeba, see, this is the structure of amoeba, as you can see, and this is only one single cell, and amoeba perform all the function with the single cell only. So this is unicellular organism. Multicellular, more than one cell. Human being, plants, animals, they are multicellular. Now on the basis of origin, there are two type of cell, that is prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Pro means primitive, they came first on earth. Okay, karyon means nucleus. Okay, so prokaryotic organisms are those organisms that came first on earth, prokaryotic. Eukaryotes, eu means true here. Okay, they have complete nucleus, but prokaryotes do not have complete nucleus. So now in our next slide we are going to study about structure of cell. So here is the simple structure of cell, as you can see on your screen. And in the simple structure, what you have to do, you just need to make a cell membrane. In middle you have to make a nucleus, and inside there is a jelly-like substance that is known as cytoplasm. So these three names are important in the structure of cell. So let's discuss about the structure of cell more. So first is a cell membrane. What is cell membrane? Cell membrane is the outer covering, okay, outermost covering that help to permit the entry and exit of substances. So is the cell membrane selectively permeable or anything can enter into the cell? No, it is completely selectively permeable. Only selected particles can enter into the cell, other cannot enter into the cell. So that is cell membrane, means giving covering, protection, shape, size, that is by the cell membrane. So cell membrane give different shape, it provide outermost covering, it help in protection, and you can say it is selectively permeable membrane, so it permit entry and exit of selectively substances. Now the next is nucleus. Nucleus, here this part is nucleus. Now nucleus, it is the brain of the cell. Why it is known as brain of the cell? Because all the activity controlled by this nucleus only, and it contains genetic material as well that transfer from one generation to another generation. Now the third part is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the fluid content, that is the fluid content that is present in all over the cell, inside the cell, that contains specialized cell organelle as well in cytoplasm, like mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum. So this is the simplest structure of cell. Next is shape of cell. Now different organisms having different type of cells, okay, they perform different function. So they are diverse in nature and they have to perform different function. So they are different in shape as well. Some are circular in shape, some are polyhedral, some are elongated, some are branched, discoidal, and some of the cells are irregular in shape as well, means they do not have any fixed shape, they are variable. And here you can give example of variable shapes are amoeba and leukocytes. Now the question is why they are irregular in shape, means they do not have any fixed shape. Because see, amoeba has to change its shape, okay, to capture food. And same like leukocyte, means white blood cells present in blood, they also has to change their shape to capture foreign particle, toxic particle enter into body. Okay, that's why WBC is army of our body, they protect us from the infected particles. So you can write according to their function, they have different shapes, they do not have similar shapes. In plant different type of shapes present, in animals different type of shapes are present. So cell may have diverse in nature. Now cell size. Some plant and animal cells are visible with the naked eye, right? Like ostrich egg, chicken egg, frog egg, we can see with the help of naked eye. But some are very small in size and that we can see with the help of microscope. So bacteria, mitochondria, animal cell, plant cell, we can see with the help of light microscope. But few viruses are very tiny in nature that can be seen with the help of electron microscope. Some particles like lipid particle, protein molecule, these are also with the help of electron microscope. So according to shape, size is also different. Okay, cell size is different. Now according to function, if we will talk, so longest cell is nerve cell and their function is to transfer the message. And a nerve cell transfer the message within fraction of second. That is the only reason they are longest in nature. Okay, now egg cell in the ostrich egg, that is largest cell, and the smallest is bacteria. Bacteria is very small in size, 0.2 to 5.0 micrometer, and the smallest one is PPLO, pleuropneumonia like organism, and another name is mycoplasm. So this is all about the cell size, cell shape and nature of cell. Thank you so much.